Hey everybody, I'm Ryan, this is The Will to Make, and today I'm going to show you about the super simple coat rack. So I started with the body of the coat rack by cutting down a 2x2 on my miter saw. Next I started with the feet by setting the miter saw to 45 degrees, making a cut, then flipping the board and making a perpendicular cut to the last. I messed the first one up by cutting the second cut parallel, and here is where I realized it. So I tried again and got it right, so I cut 3 more. Next for the hooks, I cut 4 longer pieces and 4 shorter ones. These were cut exactly like the feet. I then gave everything a light sanding before assembly. I made a mark on each foot and hook where I would pre-drill for my screws. Using a drill bit just smaller than my screws, I pre-drilled my holes by first going in straight on, then angling the bit. You do have to be careful here though, or you will break your bit as I did here. I then screwed my screws in just a little to each piece just to get them prepared. To assemble, I first marked up an equal distance on the bottom where the feet will attach, and equal spacing on the top for all the hooks. I started with the feet, and using some wood glue, I lined all the feet and screwed them down. For the hooks, I started with 2 long ones at the very top of the body, attaching them to opposite sides of each other. I then moved down, and with the last 2 long hooks, I attached them, also opposite sides of each other. I continued down the body with the 2 pairs of small hooks, attaching them the same way as the first 2 sets. And with that, the super simple coat rack is complete. The screw holes could always be filled in and the whole thing stained or painted, but that wasn't necessary for our purposes, since this is going to be a craft show display for my wife's stained glass artwork. I'll have links to all the tools I use in this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.